Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT 5 and I'm gonna show you how to download and install the firmware update on this watch, basically the system update. Before we start, if you want to update your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the Health page. Now tap on Devices, and here on this page, you should see the Huawei Watch GT 5 on the list of devices connected to your phone. Tap on this watch, or rather tap on Huawei Watch GT 5 to select it. Then scroll down, and at the bottom, you will see the category called Other, and under this category, you will see the firmware update option. Tap on it, and if you see this red dot next to the firmware update in the menu, it means that there is a new version available for your software. So we already know that there is a new version. Let's wait until it's done. And here we have the info about the package. And if you want to download and update it, tap on download and update, and it will start downloading and installing the update. One thing to mention before you start is to check the battery level on your watch. Make sure it's above like 20 or 30%. Because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your watch. So if it's not charged, charge your watch before. Then tap on download and update. It's gonna start downloading the update, and after it's done, it's gonna start sending it to the watch and then installing. This might take quite a while, so let's wait until it's done. Interesting, something went wrong. Let's wake up the screen on our watch. Oh, it rebooted for some reason. That's peculiar. Let's wait until it's done rebooting and let's try again. Okay. The watch rebooted. Let's tap on retry. Okay, it's transferring again. Let's see if it's gonna work this time. Okay, it's done transferring, and now it's gonna start installing. For some reason it failed. I don't know why the watch randomly rebooted, but as you can see, it's continuing now. Okay, and as you can see, the update is complete. And once it's done, you can close the application on your phone. And that's how you update the firmware on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.